Slick, comfortable, and well-priced. If you're careful with options, the 2024 BMW X1 is a strong small luxury SUV choice. What kind of vehicle is the 2024 BMW X1? The 2024 X1 marks the arrival of BMW's SUV series, featuring turbo 4 power and 5 passenger seats. Compare it to the Audi Q3, Volvo XC40, Mercedes-Benz GLA, and GLB-class vehicles. Overall, it's a good option that seems more sophisticated than sporty. Its tech is well regarded by us, and as a result, it receives a TCC score of 6.5 out of 10. What's new for the 2024 BMW X1? A new M35i variant with 313 horsepower under the hood, AM suspension, and other stylistic changes joins the X1 lineup. This compact, high-end SUV has a clean, screen-heavy interior beneath an exterior of formal style. Thanks to the normal roof rails, it can be useful even though it's not very tough. The 10.7-inch touchscreen and 10.3-inch digital instrument cluster in the cabin look to be part of a spaceship because they are housed beneath a single glass window. Thankfully, the minimal number of buttons and knobs in this cockpit make navigating BMW's infotainment system very simple. 241 horsepower from the base 2.0-liter Turbo 4 is sent to all four wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Choosing the new M35i reduces the sprint time from 6.2 to only 5.2 seconds, reaching 60 miles per hour. In standard configuration, the X1 rides smoothly and doesn't overly lean into turns. Its light feel and rapid steering allow it to be agile in urban areas. Although it's not very sporty, it is cozy. The combined fuel economy is between 26 and 28 mpg. The X1's interior features a roomy cargo compartment, typical of an SUV, and good front passenger space. Good materials aid in the justification of pricing that can rise quickly. Even though 2 passengers in row 2 will be okay, don't search for 3 abreast. Automatic emergency braking, active blind spot monitoring, front and rear parking sensors, and lane departure alerts are features included on all models. BMW offers active lane control, automated lane change, and adaptive cruise control with stop and go. Although the latter 2 features are hidden behind an expensive option package. An advantage in terms of safety is an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating. How much does the 2024 BMW X1 cost? The base X1 costs more than $40,000 and comes equipped with all-wheel drive, power-adjustable synthetic leather seats up front, a 10.3-inch digital instrument panel, and a 10.7-inch infotainment touchscreen. Additionally, it has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, but heated seats, Harman Kardon audio, and adaptive cruise control are an additional cost. 2024 BMW X1 styling. Although it's not the most beautiful little SUV, it's nonetheless quite lovely. The 2024 X1 receives a 6 for styling, primarily because of its streamlined, contemporary interior. The X1 features an elegant, straight exterior. Large kidney grills with sharp headlamps on either side are replaced with bulky fenders. The additional air intakes on models with M design elements make them appear a touch more aggressive than other versions' unpainted fender flares and lower trim. When viewed from the side, the X1 resembles a tall wagon and has a smaller greenhouse than, example, the Mercedes-Benz GLB-class and Volvo XC40. LED taillights in the shape of a L complete the back end. There are 18 to 20-inch wheel sizes. The large curved glass pane that contains the central touchscreen and digital instrument cluster is part of the high-tech cabin interior. The majority of controls are located on the screen, yet there are a few buttons and knobs located directly in front of the high center console. BMW has some opportunities to upscale, but there isn't a genuine leather choice. 2024 BMW X1 comfort and quality. BMW has beautiful finish throughout the little X1 interior. The interior of the 2024 BMW X1 feels more elegant than its size would typically imply. Although it isn't very roomy, the SUV-like cargo area and the excellent finish work together to give it a 7 on the TCC scale. Although the front seats have power adjustments, we would rather pay the $400 that BMW charges for the sports seats because they have an adjustable lumbar support. Even with the optional sunroof, 3 people can fit in the back seat with limited room for their heads and legs, but 2 people can still fit comfortably. When the backs of the second row are folded down, the cargo bay of the X1 expands to 57.2 cubic feet from 25.7. While it's not much, it's sufficient for a quick road trip or a big box store errand. The sole option for upholstery is synthetic leather. BMW uses metallic or wood elements in addition to soft touch trim to create a premium atmosphere. How safe is the BMW X1? Though BMW charges extra for the majority of driver assistance technologies, it's a safe option. After the NHTSA smashes one into a wall, we'll raise our rating to a 7. In addition to an IEHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating, that score is dependent on active blind spot monitoring, parking sensors, lane departure warnings, and standard automated emergency braking. Active lane control, automated lane changes, surround view cameras, and adaptive cruise control with stop and go are among the optional features. 2024 BMW X1 features. The 2024 BMW X1 has a large lineup and many of choices, despite not being inexpensive. BMW provides a wide selection of accessories to make its smallest SUV look better. Thanks to good basic equipment, a large touchscreen, a 4-year 50,000-mile guarantee with free maintenance, and a host of extras, we give the range a 9 out of 10. The base versions cost approximately $40,300, which includes the $995 destination fee, all-wheel drive, 18-inch wheels, roof rails, power-adjustable front seats, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a motorized tailgate are all purchased with that amount of money. Which BMW X1 should I buy? We would pay more for the standard X1's expensive paint, sports seats with brown synthetic leather upholstery, and metallic or wood trim. The Active Driving Assistant Pro package would then be added, which requires the premium package in addition to heated seats. A fully equipped X1 would be less of a deal at about $48,000, but it would still be more than adequate for our purposes. Thanks for watching.